Okay, today we're going to look at exploring internet working devices. Okay, for the background for this, the results of a site survey indicate that the customer needs to upgrade the network to include a new 1841 ISR. Prior to purchasing the 1841 ISR, it is necessary to determine which interfaces and cables are needed to connect the ISR to the existing router, wireless access point, and PCs. So first we've got to determine what connectivity options there are. So we need to look and make sure that router 1 and router 0, they should have some similar. See what router 0 has for ports, and router 1 also. Okay. Now it looks like over here we've got some some fast Ethernet. No, these. Let's see. That's FE. It's for fiber media, and then over here it looks like we got some for. We got some for copper media, and we got some serial ports here, which we could come over here. Looks like we got here's some serial ports here. We could add to this because we've got to add something. So we're gonna have to turn this off, and we're gonna have to add a wick over here. See what we got. Some of these to see which one's going to be the right one. I think that's going to be that one right there. And then over here we're going to need to add something. We're going to need some Ethernet ports or something so that it can connect to the PCs. And 4-port seems like it would do the trick. Okay, and then these can connect to the wireless access point. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that back on. Close that up for now. Now that that's got that there, let's see what we can do. Let's see. Connected. We've looked at what the different types might be. Choose the module. Same type of cable. I think we're going to go with serial over there. It's router 1 and router 0. Okay. Oh. Let's make sure all the interfaces are on, especially for serial. Okay, that's on because we're going to be using that. We don't really need these on because we're not going to be using that on this device. So we're turned on. Now let's go over here to router 1. And this is going to need to be a few more on because serial is going to need to be on. We're going to need some fast Ethernet. Let's just turn these on because some of these are going to connect to the PCs and some of these are going to connect to the access point. So let's turn them on just to be sure. Right. Okay, let's go down here. Cables. Let's use a serial clock rack cable. Let's go router 0 to that connection. Now we're going to go and connect the access point. Here's our access point right here, and it's on. Port 0 is on. Okay, and that's the one we'll be hitting up on. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to let's do a copper crossover from here, port 0 to fast Ethernet 00. Okay, because it says that the fast Ethernet 00 and fast Ethernet 01 are not appropriate for the PC's connection. That's where we'll use the other one. So now we're going to go get let's connect the PCs to the router. Let's get just a copper straight through cable. Let's connect here. Let's go fast Ethernet to there. And then let's connect this one. Fast Ethernet to there. And that right there is our network. And we connect proper cables. Everything should be working, and that should be it. Thank you for your time.